awareness na ginagawa namin, kinukumbine na namin. So habang nagkakandak ng blood donation drive, meron din tayong mga awareness campaign pagdating sa mga health issues or medical concerns, including first and primarily mental health first aid. So we do that, first aid, parang life first aid. So we have this combination of programs and awareness campaign. So,
Galing naman ng JCI, talo pa yung coffee na 3-in-1. Ito ang dami, may mental health. At diba, thank you Doc for laughing. Bigyan mo si Doc ng prize mamaya. Siya yung pinaka-participative this afternoon. Pero Ms. Rich, since we're talking about JCI,
with several NGOs and schools for particular. Kasi yun yung nagiging venue natin para ma-reach out yung community. So yung mga mga students, they are the future decision makers. So yun, doon pa lang yung pag-share natin ng mga knowledge, ng right information, yun na po yung nagiging venue natin through those awareness initiatives.
gusto ko yung sabi mo, Ms. Rach, na it's the youth talaga yung decision makers. So would you say na si JCI, talagang yan yung mission nila in terms of like finding advocates and ambassadors to spread awareness? Yung youth talaga ba? Para sa'yo yung pinaka-important kaya tina-target nyo sila ngayon?
So far, yes. Actually, JCI stands for Junior Chamber International. So junior, ages 18 to 40 years old. So yun po yung composition namin. And then dito sa Makati Princess Ordua, we are an all-female members. And at the same time, most of the members are leaders in different industries. So they can go back to their respective fields and the respective industries to share what they have learned for a particular forum like this one.
Galing, Miss Rich. Ang galing ng JCI, and I love that 18 to 40 considered junior po sila. Let's give a round of applause to our first batch of panelists. Andy, Bella, Miss Rich, thank you so much. I will let you join the rest of the discussion. Guys, there's lots more, so please do invite all of your friends and family to drop by here at the Glorieta Activity Center. To everybody watching live,